So now we will discuss about how to regrow again our old melon. You know our melon when there are finish of bearing fruits. They are you will find that their leaves is like this. All these leaves is old enough like this. There's something that yellowish color. And then the one technique that you will regrow this is by putting some fertilizer in this one. See, you find only where is the roots of that. See like this. Here's that is the roots. And then you must to put some fertilizer. You can some fertilizer, maybe you know this when you are washing the rice, so this can be used in using fertilizer also. This rice water also you will stock this up around 3 days, and after that you can use that in the plant also. But if you see like this, that our soil here is if you notice that there is too much beneficial bacteria, so no need to make this because mostly if you are so busy you cannot do that. So better after you washing your rice, this rice water you can direct that. But to the garden that the plant is not growing too much, so this you will find that this soil or this garden have no, maybe beneficial bacteria there is very small only. That's why you must if you use this rice water, you must to stock there in 3 days, so that why need to stock the rice water in 3 days, because this in 3 days when you stocking there, you must be stuck there in the under the table or anything in some in the room that the sun is not, that the sunshine will not coming there. So that if there is a bacteria coming to there, this will not die, because this bacteria is easily die when where they are exposing in the sunshine. So in 3 days this bacteria will coming to that, and then they will grow and become more expanding, and then after in 3 days there have more bacteria. After that you will this dissolve in the water. You can take that little 1 glass, after put on 3 glass of water. Right. But if your garden is you see that your vegetable is before when you planting is good growing, so it means that there is too much beneficial bacteria. So when you have rice water, you will directly put, no problem this, because this bacteria will be working for that to become this rice water to become fertilizer. And also if you have like this in the, we are here in a desert area, you can take also some the animal dung like this in this area. Sometimes there is a camel here, also some goat is coming. After that there's left their dung, so that dung we can use that for the plants. After this you can use if you're using this animal manure, you must sure that this animal manure is thoroughly dry, because you know there is sometimes there is a bad bacteria that going in that animal manure. So better to dry it first. After dry, and then you can use to easily this animal manure to be easily absorbed by the plants. You must put them in the water. Soaking in the water is better. And also if you have no like this, you can use also this you see here there is too much cat manure here. Cat manure in this because you know there's cat here. You know cat here is always there making manure there in the side of the fence. After that I using this, but I'm choosing only the manure which is dry. Like this, and then I put you see before I put here before the manure, you see now almost nothing, only now is only soil before I put there. So where's it going? This because that is cat manure is eating by bacteria, and after that this become a fertilizer. Now you see our melon again now growing. See, now there's a new shoot now. See, there's a new shoot now again coming, and also there are too much shoot too much coming. That's why if we have any vegetable, we can use that if our vegetable is old enough. Some people are cutting and then they will planting again. But for me, I'm not making that. If my anything I plant, if I see that is old, after that I will not cutting them. I will not kill them or not removing. Because you know this is give benefits also because as you see they're producing some dry leaf like this, and this dry leaf if I have time I grinding and then I put there in the one so that this dry it will become fertilizer like this. You see, alhamdulillah, there is a new baby fruits there. See, this is my friend. I always say this name is Doti. This is always here when I coming, and after he feel that I'm here, he coming outside. His house is there inside his under this cabin. That's why I see. Too much energetic this cat is my friend, because you know this is the only child of that mother cat. That's why he needs some little friend to play, but problem is nobody want to play with this cat, because you know you see the this is too much. Sometimes I am playing here because so that maybe sometimes he feel boring. You see, it's very playful this small cat. He's biting my socks, my chapels, my slipper, sometimes my bag. Too much playful this cat. But this cat, this is my friend, because also this cat is helping me to remove the tension. You know, in our job there is too much tension, and this animal also give help so that my mind become fresh. That's why I say too much playful this cat. Sometimes if you are not playing in this cat, he is always biting in then my slipper. See, like this. And also my pants is always biting, crawling, like then scratching. He like always to play. But he's mm, very see the crow of this one, too much pointing. After this scratching my one. But see sometimes I see that he is carrying also my hand because sometimes he is controlling my crawl to hmm, because he don't like also to me to become scratching hmm, my hand. That's why he did not showing his claw like this. See, hmm, very playful this. He like to play always. He like to play like this. So continuing our vlog for today. So you better only so that if you have any like this melon, if you want to make revive again, and then you put all again fertilizer. You can do also in the eggplant or other vegetable that you see that are not growing, not giving fruits because of the maybe if you see their season is finished. But if you're putting this some fertilizer, and then this will giving shoot again, and then after that you will can harvest again something. But the fruits of that is not big. That unlike the first fruits that you harvest before is big. But now the fruits you will take only is small because this is a small generation. You see the vine is 2 months old. But some farmer they are cutting here this one. You see from the roots they will maybe only like this. Maybe this is around 5 inches or 6 inches. Then they will cutting here. But here I cannot do that because here is the climate is very hot. If you cutting like this and then the new shoot will be exposing to the sun. So what I will do is this I'm not cutting this, and then this new shoot I always putting their downside so that the sunshine will not coming directly to the vine and to the leaves and also to the flower. Mostly important is the flower. If you see that the flower is always easy to dry, after that you will this melon we cannot bear fruits. That's why the solution is the like this the shoot you must do. See there's that it's too much playful. Oh, see, too much playful this God, always jumping. Sometimes the baby fruits is always damaged because of this. He is jumping. After that, the baby melon damaged. But you cannot hit this because sometimes if you are feeling anger, but he only enjoying his youthness. That's why you must and also you must be good to animal and always forgive if the animals have some bad things did. You must always forgive because you know the animals good there. If you make a friend of animals, they will treating you good, double. They will return you double. If you love the animals, after they will love you double. That is the benefits of loving of the animals. And you know that some animals are very honest. Well, see, Thomas jumping. He's Thomas playful, very energetic. See, see. So Or naman, if you have some old vegetable or any plant that is old, not if you see that they are finished of giving fruits, to revive that is only put some fertilizer to the maybe near in the roots. After that, you can use animal manure or anything that you have fertilizer so that they will revive and giving shoot again. And after that, you will harvest again like this. See, there is a new shoot, yeah, like this, like that, and another this, and this. There's too much shoot. Yeah, new shoot here, and also here, also here. Now too much shoot, and in this, hope inshallah we will harvest again for the second batch. Okay, this is only for today, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for the new viewer. Thank you very much.